I've never had anyone complete the words I say. You told me the one you're with can't make you feel this way. If the shoe fits, wear it. If there's no comparing, this is true love, I swear it. And we need to make a choice right now. I know this could end in a catastrophe, but there's no other place I feel I should be. Tonight, 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 remember we said with faith we try to let this pass. And no matter how much we avoided, we would still cross paths. If the shoe fits, wear it. If there's no comparing, this is true love, I swear it. And we need to make a choice right now. I know this could end in a catastrophe, but there's no other place I feel I should be. Tonight, 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 tonight,
I'm messed up in the worst way. Don't feel like I could take on the world and make it better. What good could I do if it's not with you? Why does it hit me the hardest when I'm off my game? When I'm feeling strange already? Why do I miss you the most when I'm feeling afraid? Do you feel the same? I'm trying my hardest to find silver in clouds while pinning them down. I'm finding it's useless, 'cause you come to mind at the worst of times. Oh, why does it hit me the hardest when I'm off my game? When I'm feeling strange already? Why do I miss you the most when I'm feeling afraid? Do you feel the same? Do Thank you.